Welcome to NFT Empire, your go-to source for all things NFTs. Today's video, we will be exploring the ways in which NFTs are changing the game for art and collectibles. We'll take a look at how NFTs allow for the creation and sale of unique digital art and collectibles, how they're democratizing the art market, and how they're creating new revenue streams for artists. We'll also dive into the many other industries that have adopted NFT technology, such as gaming, music, real estate, and sports, and we'll explore the platforms where you can buy and sell NFTs. So, if you want to stay on top of the latest developments in the world of NFTs, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos from NFT Empire if you want to update yourself. As you explore the world of art and collectibles, you may have heard about a new technology called NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. NFTs are digital assets that use blockchain technology to prove ownership and authenticity of digital art, collectibles, and other digital assets. The future of art and collectibles is being shaped by NFTs in a number of ways, and as a viewer of NFT Empire, you're in a great position to understand and take advantage of these changes. First, NFTs allow for the creation and sale of unique digital art and collectibles. In the past, digital art and collectibles were often considered copyable and therefore less valuable. With NFTs, each piece of digital art or collectible is verified as one of a kind, making it more valuable and desirable to collectors. Additionally, NFTs allow for greater transparency and traceability in the art market. As you know, the art market can be opaque and difficult to navigate. With NFTs, ownership and provenance can be easily tracked and verified through the blockchain. This can lead to a more efficient and fair art market for both buyers and sellers. Another way NFTs are changing the game is through the democratization of art collecting. In the past, art collecting was often seen as the hobby of the wealthy elite. With NFTs, anyone can own and collect unique digital art and collectibles, regardless of their financial means. This can lead to a more inclusive and diverse art market. Finally, NFTs have the potential to open up new revenue streams for artists. In the past, artists often struggled to monetize their digital art and collectibles. With NFTs, artists can sell their work as one-of-a-kind, valuable assets. This can lead to greater financial stability and success for artists, as well as an increase in the creation and availability of high-quality digital art and collectibles. NFTs are not only limited to digital art, but also there are many other industries that have adopted this technology, such as gaming, music, real estate, and sports. In the gaming industry, players are able to purchase and collect unique in-game items that have been verified as one-of-a-kind. This has added a new level of excitement and engagement to the gaming experience. In the music industry, musicians are able to create and sell NFTs that represent their music, allowing fans to own a piece of the music they love. In the real estate industry, NFTs can represent ownership of properties, and in the sports industry, NFTs can represent ownership of digital collectibles such as virtual trading cards. When it comes to buying NFTs, there are many platforms available to purchase them, such as OpenSea, Rarible, SuperRare, Nifty Gateway, and many more. These platforms allow you to explore and discover digital art and collectibles, as well as buy and sell NFTs. Some of these platforms also offer a variety of ways to create and list your own NFTs, providing opportunities for artists and creators to monetize their work and for collectors to own unique digital assets. In conclusion, NFTs are changing the game for art and collectibles in a number of ways. By understanding and utilizing this technology, you'll be well positioned to take advantage of the opportunities and benefits it offers. So stay tuned to NFT Empire to learn more about NFTs and how you can start collecting and creating your own unique digital art and collectibles today. Thanks for watching today's video on NFT Empire.